Day 12 of the 30-day Shiba challenge, the 30-day buying Shiba challenge is getting ready to start right now. My name is Adam Shelton and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. There's a little pep in my step, mainly because of the news of the NBA. Did you know this? NBA lands first cryptocurrency sponsorship deal with Coinbase? And just so happens Shiba is on Coinbase. So yes, I'm buying Shiba today. So let's go ahead and do this right now. Day number 12. Let me go back to this. So Shiba price, it looks just like this today, and we're gonna buy it today. So how much do you want me to buy today? How much? I'm putting $100 today in Shiba. Why? Why not? And so I'm gonna go ahead and put preview here, and we're gonna put $100 in Shiba today. We're gonna get this amount of money, or this amount of Shiba is gonna be bought today, over 3 million Shiba tokens. And it just got a little bit more of an urge today with that news that came out with the NBA and Coinbase are being partners. And so let me go and view the transaction. Day number 12 is in the books. Just like we always do, we put it in the captain spreadsheet. And this is Tuesday, October 19th. So what we'll do is click on view transactions, and we'll take this amount of Shiba. We put it right to the captain spreadsheet like so. And we also will add in all the additional information. So this will be $2.99. So that will be $2.98 will be the fees. $97.01 will be the amount of Shiba that I'm actually getting. And then I will take the amount, the price of Shiba, copy that, put it right in the spreadsheet. Remember, we're tracking this every day for 30 straight days. And we'll take this here and we're gonna format it. We're gonna format the sales like so. So look at this, the price went up just a little bit from yesterday. We bought more Shiba today than we did yesterday, which meaning fees, make sure it's $2.99. It's still $2.99 on fees, and total pay is $100. Let me move this up so you can see the amount of SHIB that we purchased. And if I go all the way down, we've got 21 million Shiba in our Coinbase account, which meaning we'll eventually move over to our Coinbase wallet for we can do other things like staking or maybe giving some away as well. So this is the total amount of Shiba that we purchased. Actually, the fees and total paid. Now, what I'm going to do in here in this challenge, I'm going to put in here of like how much I'm actually, profit that we're getting from there. So I'm going to have an equation or how much profit that we're getting based off all these days. Are we down or are we up based off that? So we're going to do a calculation to kind of figure that out in upcoming days. So I just tweeted it out. Day number 12 of 30 Shiba buying challenge is complete. Who's with me? So far, I see one person that replied back, and that's okay. But if you want to go ahead and start the process, click on the link below, Coinbase.com or eToro or Webull or Crypto.com. It doesn't matter where you get it from. It's something that if you want to be a part of this, definitely do it. It's necessary. It's not saying advising you to do it. No advice. It's just something I started to do. And I'm more excited today because of this news that dropped out. That happened about 4 hours ago. I'm excited about this, but Coinbase, look at this. Coinbase, Shiba. Coinbase, Shiba. I'm just saying. And it's one of the most popular coins on Coinbase. Think about it. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Hit that bell notification when you get videos. When you get videos just like this, I'll see you in day number 13, which will be Wednesday, October 20th. I'll see you then.